Welcome to another SQL Server 2008 R2 Edition tutorial. For this week, I'll teach you how to create stored procedures. So after connecting to SQL Server, we'll go to the databases, we'll expand this, and then select which database do you want to create the stored procedure. So for me, I will use this AdventureWorks LT database, expand this, and go to the programmability and expand this. There you can see the stored procedures folder. So in order to create, just have to select it, right click, and then select new stored procedure. So SQL Server automatically created a template for us, you can see, but before changing anything here, we will go first to our query menu, where we will specify the values for our template parameters. So this your name, for example, I will be using my surname, and then you can input values here or change, but for now I'll just have my name here and then our procedure name. So what I want to show you for this example is I want to retrieve the full name of the customer from our AdventureWorks table, the full name. So I will have a procedure name as customer full name. Take note that you should remember the name of our procedure because we will be using this rather when we use our stored procedure. So let's leave everything as is and then press OK. So as you can see, template change here, create procedure are the name of our stored procedure, customer full name. And for this very simple example, we will change the select statements here. This is our important statements. Let us put our queries here. So what I want is I will select the the first name and the last name. So before doing that, let us specify first a table from our sales to that customer table. Let us put an alias for this. I will name the table customer A. So in here, the select line, I will change the columns that I will select. So I will select the first name followed by the last name. So, and we will name this as the full name of the customer. So again, as a review, what I did is I selected the first name plus the last name, will name it as full name from the sales lt.customer table. So basically, our stored procedure creates selects rather the full name of a customer from the customer table. So what we do now is go back again to the query menu and then parse to, and when we select parse to check if our commands are correct. So as you can see, the result are command completed successfully. So in order to save to include it in our stored procedures folder, we have to execute this. So press execute and then our command completed successfully. So you can see our stored procedure with customer full name is already here. So if you want to save this, let's just go to file and then save. Then I want to save this as sample procedure. Name it, then click save. So in order to test if our Store procedure is working. Let's have our new query, and then the syntax that we're going to use is as simple as this. We'll have to use go, and then make sure you put the execute, the next line, execute, and then the name of our stored procedure, customer full name. So we'll have this, customer full name, and then let's see what will happen. We'll execute this, and as you can see, the customer's name are already here with a column name, full name. So basically, that's how you create stored procedures. Again, thank you and have a nice day.